First of all, what do you understand by the short-sightedness?
A person who is suffering from short-sightedness is not able to see the distant object but able to see the nearby objects clearly.
Which type of lens is used in our eyes?
The lens used in eye is called convex lens and it is made up of proteins.
What do you understand by the term refractive index?
It is the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is called refractive index.
Reflection and refraction.
The bouncing back of light is known as reflection and the deviation of light is known as reflection.
When the object is placed in front of the concave mirror, we can say at the center of curvature, then where is image formed and what are the qualities of that image?
Image is formed at center of curvature. The quality of image is inverted same size
And it is real in nature. Say, what do you understand by the term short-sightedness?
a person who is suffering from short-sightedness is able to see nearby but unable to see long distance objects.
Which type of lens he is using in that condition?
Concave lens.
Why he is using the concave lens?
Because the concave lens is to diverge the rays.
What do you understand by the term hypermetropia, or we can say the long-sightedness?
The person suffering from long-sightedness is able to see distant objects but not clearly nearby objects.
He is unable to see the nearby objects. So which type of the lens he is using?
Convex because properties converging.
What do you understand by the cataract?
The person who was suffering from cataract is unable to see the any object clear because a web form at the
You want to say there is a cloudy substance formed in front of the eye lens. What do you understand by the inertia? How many kind of inertia and define in a single line?
Inertia and ability of an object or a body does not change its position with until applied by external force. Inertia have three types: inertia of rest, inertia of motion, and inertia of direction. Inertia of rest, and anything is continuously remain in rest until applied by external force. Inertia of motion, anything is motion, remain in motion until applied by external force. Inertia of direction, anything is moving in a definite direction until applied by an external force.
What is the unit of the acceleration?
meter per second square.
What is the unit of the velocity?
Meter per second.
What do you understand by the term presbyopia?
A person suffering from presbyopia is unable to see distant object and unable to see nearby object clearly.
Why he is unable to see both type of the objects and which type of the lens he is using?